Hi everyone, this is a Omnimind Autopilot agent, a Runbook-Powered AI agent platform that automatically diagnose and resolve operational issues. On landing page, we can see the agents loaded along with the MCP tools and runbooks. The system support the multiple LLM providers. Let me select the Nova Pro for the current demo. Let's test a scenario. The ops team is reporting that product isn't showing up on the website. Now agent is started analyzing. We'll call all the required MCP tools to get the product details and see why it is not showing up on the website. Yeah, now it is detected the configuration issue. Hide from search is enabled. That's why it is not showing the product. Now agent is started updating the visibility flags and validating. Now it is successfully updated and validated. Now the product is showing it in on the website. How these agents will work based on the runs, whatever we are going to give for agents. We can just drag and drop the MD files, or we can connect to MCP to get our run books. We can have a classify with the different it's like whether it is a knowledge base or a run book to follow the agent. Like if you have a run book, agent will simply follow all the steps to solve the issue. We can see the run books modified. Once we have a run books, we can sync to S3 and S3 and a Bedrock knowledge base. We have a agent starts to show what are all specialized agents we have and what are all operations performed by these agents. I can see like this price agent, what are all recent queries users is asking, and it is resolved that issues or not. What are all tools used, and also like a common use cases it is solved by this agent. We have a settings tab here. We can configure like a models. We can have like a configure the multiple MCP servers. Once we have MCP servers, we can create even dynamic agents to solve the specialized problems. These are like a fixed agents. We can create the dynamic agents. We can enter all the details manually, or AI help to create the agent. Now our agent is come up with all the details, what should be the system keywords, example queries for routing, and also tools required for MCP. We can create the agent, or we can just modify manually if some things are not looking good. And I'm going to create the agent. Now the agent is created. We can go back to the chart and start using the specialized agents. Thank you.